everybody, Chris here again from Souhegan Valley Motorsports. We've got another build here for you. We've got a 2021 Maverick X3 DS Turbo R. So this X3 we set up for most of our general customers that are just looking for one of the best weekend rigs out there. You've got great storage capacity by adding the roof rack here. We've got the GPS, we've got the bigger tires to add some ground clearance where we know these things, they're a little bit low with the factory tires on them. And with our conditions here in New England, that means the bottom of these things gets abused. First up here on this X3, we've got a Lonestar front intrusion bar. We've got the Lonestar rear intrusion bar. We've got the Lonestar rock catchers down here below. We've got the Lonestar rear bumper. And then we've got the backbone spare tire carrier that attaches to the rear intrusion bar and the bumper. So on this X3, we set it up with a set of 32-inch BFG mud terrains with the 15-inch Sedona Split Six bronze beadlocks on it, adding some extra ground clearance and some better drivability to this thing. Next up on this X3, we've got the Can-Am rock sliders here down below. We've got the Can-Am Adventure roof rack. So this Adventure roof rack here has a bunch of different possibilities for it. We've got the link tool holders on the side here holding the jack on. We've got a 42-inch light bar that we added to the front. And this rack can also accept either a spare tire, or you can put any 16-inch link accessory bag or box up here to store your goods. We've got the new Can-Am Rally mirrors. And we've also the Can-Am audio roof here with all Rockford Fosgate equipment. This has the head unit itself, the 4 speakers. We also added the new subwoofers under each of the seats and the Rockford amp underneath this thing. This thing really sounds good. Next up on the inside of this thing, we added the Can-Am door storage bags, the center shoulder bag, and we've also got the device holder holding the Garmin GPS on the dash. That way we can take advantage of using the new group ride feature that we're able to see where the other driver is, and we'll be able to communicate with them with the 2-way radio system. This X3 showcases some of our most popular trail riding accessories for someone with a Maverick X3. We've got storage options, we've got GPS, spare tire, protection, and wheels and tires. So if you're looking to accessorize your X3, come on down to the store, give us a call, or check out our new online store.